Hi friends, let me show you these new holders for brooms or whatever accessory you have in your home with this kind of hole. Okay, these holders will fix to the wall with this double-coated tape, and whenever they are installed, you just put whatever you want to put there like this, and it will hold it. Okay, easy to get it out, but that way your brooms and your cleaning accessories won't be in the floor or falling apart. They will be organized. You get 4 in this pack, 4 holders, and all of them have their double-coated tape to fix them whenever you need them. So let's try them. Let me show you. We have our broom here. We are going to fix it here to the wall. This is the place where we think it's more useful for us. So as easy as locating the point where you want it, cleaning very well to get rid of all dust or grease or whatever, so the double-coated tape will do its work. Okay. And just like that, okay? Perfect. You have to press very well. So all the tape, and you should wait at least 12 hours one day to use it. I'm just going to show you how it looks. Okay, see? So your broom is there organized. It won't be falling off or moving around. And when you need it, you just do this. And to leave it there, just like that. Okay, perfect.